Wow. This place is so ancient and magical. I'm so pleased that I found it. Everyone kept saying this was the best place for bluebells, but I didn't really know if it would be worth it, but I totally think it is. And it's such a good time to come because it's not the weekend, so no one's really here. I saw a deer on the way actually, just like running across the road and jumping a fence. So I thought that was kind of a good sign. It's just absolutely magical. Even though the bluebells might be slightly past their best, they've really got the shape though of the bell shape. So that's quite nice. Where are the fairies? Come out, fairies. Magic.